So this is the Rincon Parkway in northern Ventura County, right on the Pacific Coast Highway, Highway 1 in California. And all this spot amounts to really is just parking places designated along the highway. And we got in on a Tuesday evening, and there were quite a few spots available. And basically they charge you $30 a night for your RV and then $1 for each pet you have. So we paid $31 a night here. And the scenery's beautiful. You can walk on the beach. It's really nice. It's certainly strange to be parked right along the edge of a highway. But this is one of those examples of where we got lucky, because there were plenty of spaces Tuesday, and basically by the same time the following evening there were no spaces available. So in 24 hours it went from probably 50 spots open to none open. And what we found out here is that people will come and park their RVs and pay for the spot ahead of time just to make sure that they have it over the weekend. But you can see here in this shot that as one of the Pacific surf liners, which are aptly named since they run mostly along the surf, so as a Pacific surf liner comes by here, you'll notice that there's not an RV spot open anywhere along here. So we were lucky enough to get a spot, and we were just going to stay a couple nights, and next thing you know, we spent a week sitting here. And I'm not a fan of paying $30 for a dry camping site, but it's just something about the ocean and the beauty of it. And once again, I'm lucky enough to have trains to photograph. So anyway, it was a great time here.